Welcome back students. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a ping pong game on your mobile. In my previous tutorial I taught how to make a ping pong game on PC. So upon the request of many students who were willing to make this game on mobile, so for you I just designed this tutorial. So first of all I'll change my sprite. I'll cancel this, and then from here I'll just change the sprite, and I have to see where button is there. So here is my button. I'll take this button 2, and as you will see the sprite is here. I'll drag it down somewhere this side. Okay, now after dragging it down, suppose size I want to make little smaller. I change it to, let's see, 80. So it seems okay to me. Now I'll go to my event block, and then when clicked I'll drag it here. When clicked, my X is presently 21 and Y is minus 163. So I want that whenever I'll start the game, my sprite should, that means this button should be in between. From the motion block, I'll just select this command, go to X 21Y minus 163. So by default it takes the same location what it is showing here. So I'll drag it here. So this command will make my sprite always in the middle when I'll start the game. Then I'll use the loop. So from the control, I click on control and I'll use forever loop. Now in forever loop I'll use the set command. I want that my sprite should move along with the finger in X direction. X direction is left and right. So I'll take the command here, set X to 21. So this command here, this one I want to take. So I'll drag it here, and along with this I want to use sense block. And here you could see two commands, mouse X, mouse Y. So I'll select mouse X. This command I want to select. I'll drag it here. And now this mouse X I'll put it here in between. So it will be set X to mouse X. I'll just drag this hinder forever. And now I'll place it here. Now I'll just try it whether this is working or not. So I'll run my command. You know very well, from this flag I have to click. So you could see it is following me. If I'm pressing my finger left and right, this is also moving left and right. And if I'll put it up, it remains on the top. So this is a problem. So I have to solve this problem also. But when I'll start the game, again it will start from the bottom. So I have to fix Y also. Y, what is Y? This is X and this is Y, moving up and down. I want that it should always remain on the bottom. Whenever if I'll put it up, again it should come down. So for that I have to set the Y. I'll just stop it, and just to set the Y, I'll firstly place where I want. Y is just on -163, so I'll use the Y command. So here I'll find set Y to, yes, this command. So it will take the default value of Y. Presently it is -163. So I'll take this set Y to -163 and I'll place it here under loop, this loop. So what it means, whenever the loop is moving and when I run the command, even if I'll take it up, it will come down, because this Y command under the loop will bring it down. So I hope this is clear to you. Just I'll put my finger on the top and it moves left and right. So basically this only I was wanting to teach you. So rest of my tutorial I have already taught in my tutorial number 29. So just to see the B part, just check my previous tutorial. The link also I will share at the bottom. So I'll close my tutorial here only. Till then, bye.